this is one of the best quality coffee that is available anywhere on the globe. Why we want to interest you to come to Kenya is that Kenya is also very advanced in terms of financial systems. Kenya is technologically compliant. It is very easy to come and do business in Kenya. Again, it is a very safe country in a region that is unstable, and it is the country of destination for businesses from all over the world. Again, I want to assure you that we have enough coffee. And once you come and place your orders, the quantities that you desire will be available. And you can be able to get that coffee and give it to your customers. Again, we are advantaged that we boast of a good port on the Indian Ocean, making it very easy for any importer of our coffee to send it to any destination in the world. Again, we boast of a good transport system within the hinterland of Kenya to enable the coffee that comes from the factories and the societies of country to get to the port of Mombasa before exportation. We therefore want to invite you to come and partner with us, and that is why I'm here as Deputy President, to give you an assurance that we are willing to partner with you, with our roasters, to give you access to the best coffee in the world, the highest quality available anywhere in the world. And we have embarked on serious coffee reforms to make sure that we create a very efficient system that the roasters who desire to purchase our coffee will have it with ease, without bureaucratic red tape, without too many complications, to make it easy for anybody, anywhere in the world, to access Kenyan coffee. On top of that, we are happy to inform you that even as you come to purchase coffee from Kenya, there are other opportunities of tourism that are available in that country. As you come to do coffee business, we invite you to come and visit our national parks. We have species of wildlife that are not available in many parts of the world. We have the big five: the lion, the cheetah, the giraffe, the rhino, the buffalo. And that will give you an opportunity, even as you do business, to mix it a little bit with tourism. The Masai Mara Game Reserve is the 8th wonder of the world. We have the wild beast migration that takes place between July and September. And even as you and your people come to deal with the matters coffee, you get an opportunity to visit our game parks. We are working very hard to make sure that our quality stays where it is and even improve it as we go on. So mine this afternoon is to appeal to the world and all stakeholders in matters coffee to come and partner with our country, to come and buy our coffee directly. It doesn't make much sense to go through other people. Come directly for small quantities, for medium quantities, for big quantities. They are all available for you. We have just had a discussion this afternoon with the organizers of this forum, the Producers and Roasters Forum, with the possibility of Kenya hosting a forum in November 2024, where producers and roasters can come and meet face-to-face with the Kenyan farmers, visit their farms, sample the best, and be able to make an informed decision as to why you should come and get coffee from Kenya. I want to thank you. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.